Hello! In front of me I have ZTE Watch Live, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on this screen to open the watch face menu. And once you open the menu, you can swipe left and right on the screen to scroll through the list of watch faces, like this. Now find the watch face you would like to use on your watch, and then simply tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also change the watch face through settings, or rather through the menu. So you can swipe up on the home screen to open the menu, and you should see the watch face option. You can tap on it, and this will open the watch face menu. Of course, you can find the watch face you would like to use, tap on it to apply it. Another way to change the watch face is to do it through the phone application. So if your watch is paired with a phone, you can use the phone app to change the watch face. I'm gonna move the things aside, bring our phone right here, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen. Like this. Wake up the screen on our phone, unlock it, and as you can see, we have the DAFIT application on our phone. This is the application you use to pair the devices together. Let's open the app. In the app, tap on the device icon to open the device page, and here we have our ZTE Watch. It says connected, and we have the category called watch faces. We can scroll through it, find the watch face we like to use on our watch, and tap on it to select it and apply it. And once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.